Well, the liquor tasted good, and the women all were fast. Well, there she goes, my friend. She'll be rolling down at last. Hear the mighty engines roar, see the silver bird on high. She's away and westward bound, far above the clouds she'll fly. Where the morning rain don't fall, and the sun always shines. She'll be flying on my home in about 3 hours' time. This old airport's got me down. It's no earthly good to me, 'cause I'm stuck here on the ground, cold and drunk as I can be. I can't jump a jet plane like you can a freight train, so I'd best be on my way in the early morning.